Hi all. So in this video we will learn about XPath axis, right? Related uh, keywords, right? So first of all we will go with self, parent and child. Okay. First go with self. So what does that mean? Self, right? In here the same example, you can find the URL in your description, right? Think about that tech academy, right? Tech academy, you need to capture that tech academy XPath, right? This one, so which is a h3 tag, right? I can capture this through the text, right? Through the text. Here I can say like h3, right? Then text equal this one, right? So it's gives one of one, right? So and you can say slash self star. So instead of star you can say still h3 because it's a h3 tag. So self define, self says it's a it's a it's calling itself, right? So it's not like parent or child, right? It calling itself. Self gives you the current node, right, which represented in the this node, right? Okay. uh, so then we will go with parent, right? So in here you can see that text gives this one, right? So if you need to capture the div of that h3 tag, then you can say slash parent, uh, then double colon star. That gives one of one, which is the parent of that specific h3 tag, so which is a div tag, right? So still you can say like div instead of star because it's a div tag, right? Then we will go with child. Okay. So in here that is specific example, here this one, right? So this gives this one, right? So it gives id, right? So it's a div tag with id. So you can say like div, right? Then you can say at id equal, then give the attribute value of that id, right? So yeah, then you can say child, right? You can say child, um, child star, right? It gives four element. There are four child under that, right? Yeah, we will see that which id it's take, right? Okay, so id, yeah, it's four element means this one, right? You can see that 1 2 3 4 all are div, all three are div. One is h5, so if you need to say h5 one, so you can say child h5, right? It gives exactly one of one, right? So this is a good example. Actually now you can understand now why we use the exact element instead of wildcard, right? If we put wildcard here with child, so then it will return one of four. That means there are four element needs to be written, but if you put h5 tag exactly, then it will return only one, right? Hope you can understand this one.